Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Instagram feed not responding error. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So sometimes when you're using Instagram, you might be shown this error when you're trying to refresh the feed and you cannot refresh the feed. Sometimes you might be shown this error. So the first thing you can do when this error occurs is check if you're connected to the Wi-Fi and if your Wi-Fi or internet is stable. So when this occurs, your Instagram app cannot be refreshed. So first thing to do is check that, and if that does not work, so please go to your settings and click on apps and notifications, and then go to Instagram, and here you might force stop this app. And then what you can also do is click on storage and cache and clear cache. Then you can also click on mobile and Wi-Fi, and here you can enable the background data. So the next thing what you can also do is again go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and network, and on the SIM and network you'll choose your SIM card, and under access point names you'll click here, and then you click this reset to default. And another thing that you can also do is check to see if your Instagram app is up to date. So make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram so that there are no bugs here creating disruption. So once you check that, you should try and see if your Instagram works out. So you should check and see if the error has gone or not, and most probably it is already gone. So it's very simple and easy to fix this error. I hope these solutions work for you guys. Please leave a comment below if it did or if it did not, and also leave some suggestions that you have. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.